So now we're going to take what we did in 10.2a and 10.2b, and we're going to apply it to some algebra things that are going to happen. So I've got my my little old man Simpson here yelling at the clouds. And the big thing here is people are going to try to show you tricks. They're going to try to show you shortcuts. They're going to try to show you tricks. And the problem with most math teachers is that most of us are really good at basic math and doing things and memorizing things and doing stuff like that. So you're going to hear people be like, "Oh, this is the easiest way to ever do this, easiest way ever," and it's a shortcut, and it's easy if you can do the math in your head. But the problem is that most people that take a math class in high school aren't very good at doing math in their head. So that means that a trick that requires you to use math in your head is not going to be helpful. All right, and again, I think I showed this in a previous one, but just to be safe here, I've got an example right there. I'm going to show you the longer version here. This is what we started out doing. This is how a lot of math works. So we started out looking at this. We're like, all right, well, that's x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. So that was what I got. And then I combined these two terms, and I ended up with x squared minus 2x plus 8. Depending on who you had that taught you how to do that, maybe whether it was a FOIL or a box method or whatever, if you had me, we just distribute things, okay? So this is distribution in this direction, all right? So this is distribution. No matter what people call it, they call it FOIL, they call it something foolish, it's still distribution. Going in this direction is factoring. Okay, and it's actually super hard if you tried to factor to get this step. That's super hard. It's kind of what we're going to show you how to do, what I'm going to show you how to do with writing the factors down and playing around with it. It's really doing that middle step without actually trying to write it out. Okay? So no tricks, no shortcuts, none of that stuff. I'm going to show you how to really do this, how to actually do it. And then if you get good at it, you can skip steps. Great. All right? But what we're trying to do is take an equation that looks like this. A trinomial is called 3 terms. And we're trying to turn it into the factored form, which is 2 binomials with parentheses like that would have been used to distribute to get it. I'm going to talk you through an example here that I've got in the notes, and then basically try these problems. I have some videos sprinkled in throughout. I don't have all of them done, but I have several of them done. Use those videos. It's a process, and every single thing uses the exact same process if you take your time and you know the handful of things you're supposed to do.